Her love for you doesn't make her loyal. Respect is what keeps her. Her loyalty comes from desire, and desire comes from respect. If you don't command her respect, her love will mean nothing when there are no consequences to disrespecting you. Less is more when attracting women. The more you talk to impress her on a date, the more you talk yourself out of getting laid. The more you do to earn her affection, the more she'll want to flake on you. If she is not influenced by you, she will be influenced by another man. A relationship with a woman is either growing or dying. If it's not growing, it is 100% dying. And women are open to new men when their relationship is unfulfilling. She'll try to change you for as long as she's with you. If she succeeds in changing you, she gets disappointed in you, mentally checks out. If she fails, she stays desiring you. Every single woman loves being dominated. No exceptions. If a woman does not want to get dominated by you, it's because she doesn't believe you actually are dominant. Consistently act like you are dominant. It will come naturally to you. She's attracted to the man who puts her in her place. She feels safe following a leader who doesn't lower his standards or switch up just to appease her. She makes rules for simps. Follows the rules by the guy she is actually attracted to. See that same woman who told you she expects you to take her out to an expensive dinner? She's the same chick hoping the man she likes invites her over straight to his place. Passionate aggression turns her on. Most guys are tender do not make women feel sexually fulfilled. If you can express yourself in a passionately aggressive way, while being mindful of how she responds, she will come back for more. She will only be attracted to you if you're more valuable to her than her, in her eyes. No woman wants to feel like you're just lucky being with her. She wants a man who has more experience, knowledge, value than her. Otherwise, why would she follow you? Every successful relationship has a man with toxic traits. A woman can never feel emotionally sexually fulfilled unless she thinks you're a bit toxic. Truth is, when you're a man of standards principles, she'll feel you're toxic because you don't move like her. She reflects your leadership at all times. If you're in a relationship with an unhappy, sloppy, and lazy woman, it's because you're all of these things. Women reflect us whether we like it or not. Being mad at her is attention, and attention is her reward. You don't have to always actively handle a disagreement with a woman. Negative attention is still attention. Moving in together weakens attraction. Be conscious of being too available, boring to your woman when moving in together. Make sure you have a whole life outside of your relationship, plus go out on fun dates with her, no matter how long you've been together. Girls know all about you the moment you talk to them. In the first minute of talking to you, they instinctively try to figure out, are you confident? Are you interesting, fun, sexual? If you can't show her why she should invest in you immediately, she'll move on. Look status might get her attention, but game attracts keeps her forever. You can spend your next 10 years in a gym and look like a fitness model all you want. But if you can spit game when you talk to her, your looks to her will fade away quickly. Women are flaky only when they don't recognize your value. If you're dealing with too many flaky women, it's not them, it's you. The sooner you take accountability for it, the better you adjust your approach when dealing with women. Thinking that some women are innocent, some are not, is a good way to get your heart broken. All women are willing to the nastiest things, under the right circumstances with the right guy. Women are hypergamous when you have no game. If you get your money up without getting your game up, of course she will have no choice but to find another dude with more money. Women stay only when they're emotionally, sexually satisfied. That needs game. If she doesn't light up when she sees you even after years of being together, you're F-vicking up somewhere. Your woman should be excited to see you at home, even if you've been together for 10 years. She'll desire committing to you when you commit to yourself first and foremost. When you love yourself too much, You never care about a specific woman wanting to be your girl, and that makes her want to not miss out on being with you.